Hi, Dr. Sam here. Supporting our immune system has been on our minds lately, and that's a really good thing. We need to think about ways to protect ourselves and our families. Standard Process Congaplex is typically used short term. I love using it when I feel a scratchy throat coming on or a lot of sneezes. I always reach for my Congaplex. And I have patients that actually take it every single day for that nice immune boost. This combination of ribonucleic acid, vitamins A, C, and thymus extracts are what the body uses to build new cells and other immune-enhancing factors to work together to enhance the immune system function. I always recommend this product for my patients because it's important for colds, flu, fevers, congestion, inflammation, bacterial, or even viral issues. Congaplex supports the thymus gland along with the whole immune system alliance, which ultimately plays a huge role in our overall health. My patients report that Congaplex results are often seen within hours after taking it. Congaplex is also available in capsules and chewable tablets.